As all of these pieces come together, we want to try to give Americans the best sense of when our most vulnerable will start receiving vaccines. As many of you know, the FDA has said it will consult with its independent Vaccine Advisory Board before making a decision on emergency use authorization for a COVID-19 vaccine. And they have now scheduled a meeting for December 10th. If all goes well, we could be distributing vaccine soon after December 10th. As General Perna has shared, we believe we can distribute vaccine to all 64 jurisdictions within 24 hours of FDA authorization. Then, we hope administration can begin as soon as the product arrives. One of the private sector partners we've enlisted, CVS Health, has said that they expect to be vaccinating residents of nursing homes, one of the top priority groups, within 48 hours after FDA authorization. To ensure all of this can happen on such incredibly tight timeframes, OWS and our partners have been running not only tabletop exercises, but actual field exercises for the shipment procedures. This week, for instance, we will be making test shipments with the ordering system that states will use, that is, performing shipments that don't contain actual product in order to ensure that all goes smoothly. These are the kinds of procedures you put in place to ensure a seamless logistical operation. And we're so grateful for the expertise that the U.S. military and our private partners have brought to this task. While much of our briefing today is focused on vaccines, I want to note that Operation Warp Speed continues to charge ahead on therapeutics, and our therapeutic options continue to expand. We have already distributed more than 120,000 courses of Eli Lilly's monoclonal antibody treatment through state health departments to more than 2,400 treatment sites across America. We've allocated another 50,000 courses, which will ship this week. Then, following FDA's authorization of Regeneron's antibody cocktail this past weekend, we began distribution of the first 35,000 doses of that product today. This means we have 2 new options for Americans who aren't hospitalized with COVID-19 but are at risk of progressing to severe disease. I encourage everyone to spread the word. If you test positive for COVID-19 and are over 65 or have underlying conditions that put you at high risk for severe disease, you may have access to a treatment that can help you, and you should get in touch with your healthcare provider or state health department. Toward the end of last week, FDA also granted an emergency use authorization for the use of baricitinib, an anti-inflammatory drug, in conjunction with remdesivir for hospitalized patients. This was based on results from NIH's Act II trial coordinated with Operation Warp Speed, which found that there was a statistically significant reduction in hospital stay for that drug combination versus remdesivir alone. This is a product that is already widely available in the United States.